Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend from my phone to Windows. All right, so as you can see here, in the right-hand side here, I have my iPhone, and I named my LocalSend account right here as my iPhone. And on the left-hand side, we have the Windows PC. As you can see here, I'm currently using my computer. So first up, go ahead over to your iPhone, and then just tap on Send, as we are going to send something from our iPhone to Windows. So tap on Send, and then go ahead and select a media. It could be a text or a file or a folder. All right, so let's say I'm going to go ahead and select the file. Now, let's say I am going to choose to send maybe just this video right here. All right, so I'm going to tap on Open right here at the very top. And then after that, all you got to do next is just go ahead and select a receiver. As you can see here, this one is a Windows computer, and this one is a Samsung device or Android device. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and send it to our Windows computer. So go ahead and tap on Windows right here, and then all you got to do in your specific computer is just tap on Accept, wait a bit, hit on Done. Now to find the file, go ahead and click on Recents right here, click on Open Folder, or just play it right here. Okay, so here we have it. And that is how you use LocalSend from iPhone to Windows. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.